This video explains about what is trade financing. Let's say you identify a growing demand for your product in USA, but you don't have the funds to fill order there. In such case, what would you do? You will look for financing options to conclude your deals, right? Here comes the importance of trade finance. What is trade finance? Trade finance significantly increases your ability to trade internationally by providing financing options and assisting to mitigate the risk of default in payments for goods. Trade finance is the umbrella terms, which includes different types of trade finance products, such as letter of credit, standby letter of credit, bank guarantees. In today's global trade, nearly 90% of world trade depends on trade finance services. Do you require trade finance facilities to import goods from USA? Submit your trade finance requirements to us. We at Bronzewing Trading LLC in Dubai provide trade finance solutions from European banks at zero cash margin. Contact us now. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 9714551969. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.